Namaskar, I am Anil Shelke from Perfect Pollucon Services. We are offering environmental monitoring services since last 25 years. If your company is involved in the construction, manufacturing, real estate, mining or infrastructure projects, then you have probably heard of ambient noise monitoring. But what exactly it is, does it mean, why it is necessary under the Indian laws, and how do we conduct the proper noise monitoring survey? In this video, I will walk you through the process, regulations and practical benefits of ambient noise monitoring based on our 25+ years of field experience. Ambient noise level monitoring is the measurement of sound level in the environment to assess whether the noise generated by human activities or by industrial activities is within permissible limits set by Central Pollution Control Board. It is required for environmental clearance of construction and infrastructure projects, consent to operate for industries, urban planning, road expansion, traffic studies, compliant resolution and litigation supports, corporate CSR and ESG reporting, whether it's a daytime construction or nighttime DG set operations. If the noise levels exceed legal norms, it can lead to public complaint, legal actions, even project shutdown. CPCB has notified area-specific noise standards under the Noise Pollution Regulation and Control Rule 2000. The residential zone, it is 55 dB during daytime and 45 dB during nighttime. For commercial zone, it is 65 dB during daytime, 55 dB during nighttime. For industrial zone, it is 75 dB during daytime and 70 dB during nighttime. And for silent zone, it is 50 dB for day and 40 dB for night. These limits are not optional during EC or CTU renews. Ambient noise reports are frequently asked by pollution control boards and third-party auditors. At Perfect Pollucon Services, our ambient noise level survey is done using calibrated Type 1 sound level meters with data logging facilities. Here's how the survey is conducted. Step 1. We identify monitoring locations based on land use, residential, commercial or silent. The instrument is mounted on the tripod at a 1.2 to 1.5 meters height away from the reflective surfaces. Step 3. Continuous monitoring is done for 15 minutes interval per location during both daytime and nighttime. Even it is monitored for 24 hours in some cases. Step 4. We record parameters like LUK, equivalent continuous noise level, maximum sound level, minimum sound level, peak noise events and duration. Step 5. A comprehensive report is generated comparing observed values with CPCB standards along with recommendations if excess noise is observed. If required, we also assist in implementing noise mitigation plans like acoustic enclosures for DJ sets, green buffers or noise barriers. With over 2 decades of experience, we have conducted ambient noise surveys for metro rail projects, highway projects, airports, hospitals, DG set installations, real estate developers, industrial clusters. Why clients trust Perfect Pollucon Services? We are having 25+ years of experience in this field, use of CPCB recommended instruments. We are having enable accredited laboratories, association or supporting documentation, fully trained field staff, report accepted by all major SPCBs and consultants. We understand the urgency during audits and site visits and deliver fast, accurate and compliant reporting. If your company needs to submit a noise monitoring report, if you are planning a new project near an industrial zone, or if you are facing a compliant or legal query, we are here to help you. Please do contact us. The contact details are shown on our screen. At Perfect Pollucon Services, we combine expertise with ethics, ensuring that your business stays 100% compliant, responsible and respected.